document it. Thumbs up for the camera. Nice. Yeah.
You see?
Yeah, just that's great. I mean, it's totally watertight. There's no way.
That's another generation.
We've used this sealant as well, putting the screws in, and then we put this just the flashing. Although the instructions say to weld it, there's just no point. I mean, this flashing, as you can see,
this is better because
quality.
It starts to melting with when the heat comes over.
Yeah.
The bottom, the glue starts to melting inside.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, it's solid.
I'm giving 100 years
guarantee. Nice. I mean, what we've sort of done overkill on the hooks here because they gave us 50 hooks, and they only gave us 56 screws in this packet because, and I forgot this, but essentially they calculated that we only needed 14 hooks per row, but we've instead used here, yeah, we've used almost twice as many, but at least it's not going to get blown away. Now for this bit, we're going to adapt it slightly. So what I've decided here is to deal with this lip. If you get the we're just adapting these L brackets, and we're going to put them up like this way, and then hold them down with a bit of strapping. So yeah, a little bit of cutting needs to be done. But here we go, we've sealed these with the roof gutter sealant.
Yeah.
And over here you can see what it looks like when it's flash.
Flash with the tape.
Here we are with the rails ready to go. Martian has done some extra sealing around the flashing. So there's no way it's going to leak, is there? Or you get sued. Well, it's the rain has come in, but as you can see, the panels are laid as planned. Here you can see the adaptation we made to the mounting system. It's worked lovely. You know, there's a nice gap between that. So yeah, we've made, you know, without doing that we just wouldn't be able to get these 12 panels on. It's fantastic. Just like whack it into the inverter now. Obviously working in the wet's been quite full on, but hey.